How to scale your eBay business. Hello, welcome and thank you for choosing this video course. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to easily scale up your eBay business with several simple strategies. There are ultimately two ingredients in the formula for a profitable retail business, or any business for that matter: demand for your offering and margin on the exchange. By assessing the demand of a particular product or service, you can get a sense of whatever your time is worth investing in an opportunity. By assessing the margin potential for that product or service, you can start to paint the picture of the unit economics of your future business. Once you understand these unit economics, you can forecast your profitability with fairly good accuracy. This chapter will give you simple tips for determining how profitable you will be selling on eBay based on the product opportunity your assessments have led you to pursue. But again, you start by choosing your products to sell. The key to getting positive feedback and ratings is excellent customer service. Always represent your item accurately and honestly. Make your terms of sale easy to find and understandable, especially concerning payment terms, shipping, and returns. Respond to questions quickly, be patient and courteous, and be sure to leave positive feedback to encourage your buyers to do the same. Before listing, learn all about how eBay displays search results and find out if your item does best in a fixed price format or an auction-style listing. After listing, use the Listing Analytics app to get insight into the visibility, clicks, and sales your listings are generating. Learn about your best and worst performers and revise listings right from the app to maximize sales. Detailed business analysis sets the most successful sellers apart. Track trends using third-party tools such as Marketplace Research by Terapeak and analyze your eBay sales performance, understand key growth contributors, and identify opportunities and areas for improvement with eBay sales reports and your eBay store's traffic reports. Use the seller dashboard to monitor your performance, in which you can access this essential tool through My eBay. Amongst other important information, you can view details about your power seller or top-rated seller status, policy compliance, and buyer satisfaction. Offer combined shipping discounts to drive additional sales while encouraging buyers to purchase multiple items by offering discounts on multiple items, or use Markdown Manager for your store inventory or fixed-price listings to create a limited-time sale, or free shipping to create a sense of purchase urgency. Get up to 10,000 free fixed-price listings per month when you showcase your listings in a fully customizable eBay store. You also get special access to advanced design, marketing, and reporting features. When you subscribe to an eBay store, you're given a powerful suite of tools to help you build, manage, promote, and track your business on eBay. Whether you sell 10, 100, or thousands of items, eBay seller stores can streamline your work from start to finish. You can list more and automate your selling process to increase your efficiency, maximize sales, and increase profits. Additionally, you can start saving time by automating some of your everyday tasks using Seller Hub. You can increase your visibility among internet shoppers to get more bids and boost your final selling prices. Optimize your listings for search engines by using keywords in your title and description, while sharing your expertise to enhance your reputation and drive additional traffic to your listings by writing reviews and guides about your top-selling products, which is easy, effective, and free. Now that only domestic DSRs count towards seller benefits, you can reach buyers around the world risk-free. Describe your item with global sizes, clearly specify shipping destinations and rates, and take extra care when communicating with international buyers. International trading is a great way to expand your market and your sales. The new Ship to Location control feature makes it easier than ever to ship to only the countries you want to. When buyers leave feedback, they can also rate their experience in 4 areas: item as described, communication, shipping time, and shipping and handling charges. These detailed seller ratings, DSRs, are based on a 1 to 5-star scale. 5-star ratings are the best, and 1 star is the lowest rating. Be sure to set clear expectations, then surprise and delight your buyers by meeting or exceeding them every time. On your packing slip, tell buyers you're available to resolve any issues. For example, we strive to provide 5-star customer service. If you need help or there's anything we can do to improve, we welcome you to contact us. This simple message can go a long way toward heading off any potential issues before a claim is made or feedback is left.